Today at the GR we're gonna paint the GR 4 letters in the intercooler. Gonna go ahead and remove the intercooler, paint it outside, and put it back together. So let's get started. What we're gonna do a mark on the positioning, and we can see the intercooler has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So I just mark it with a black marker because when I'm going to take it out, I know exactly where I'm going to put them. You guys can see we have 2 clips. Okay. Okay, recording action. The total numbers for this later. So we have the intercooler removed. We wrap everything. We put a stencil on it. I took as a measurement going from the second one a little bit higher on this area to be more visible. Center it in, put everything, and we're gonna go like a nice sweet spray first. let that dry for a few minutes. Then we're gonna go back to a second coat, and that's all we need. Well, we've been waiting for about 2 hours. Now we're gonna peel it off and see how it looks like. That looks pretty good. Okay. Now it's time to put this back on. That's a blue line that has to match with the white line over here. When you damage the thing. See? check this. And we have the GR4 letters on the intercooler. We have to remove the bumper. Well, I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please consider to just give me a like and subscribe for more content on the GR. Now we also going to include the Subaru, and there's a lot coming on. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.